Welcome to the next session on this organometallic compounds. Today we will discuss organolithium reagents. Organolithium reagents we also call the organolithium compounds. General representations of organolithium compounds are dash lithium. R stand for alkyl and acts as a nucleophilic groups among the reagent, and Li stand for metal and highly ionic bond they mix. This reagent are large application in organic synthesis to make carbon-carbon single bond. The majority of times use of alkyl lithium reagents offer varieties of efficient methods to make coupling of two different carbon moieties or compounds. Most of important alkyl lithium reagents used in organic chemistry is butyl lithium. Synthesis of organolithium reagent. The first methods synthesis, starting material Rx plus lithium in presence of a dry ether at minus 20 degrees Celsius forms alkyl lithium as a compound plus LiX as a byproduct. Second step for the synthesis of compound, alkyl bromides react with butyl lithium in a reversible process, forms again organolithium compounds R-Li plus butyl bromides. This is the second step of synthesis of organolithium compounds. Once we form organolithium compound synthesis, then we see this stability of organolithium compounds. So straightforward alkyl lithium reagent exists in hexamer in an organic solvent, and especially we have to use for hydrocarbons. Ethers in tetrameric structure is typically found on major compounds. N-butyl lithium in cyclohexane, it's found in hexamers, butyl lithiums 6 times, and in ethers N-butyl lithiums found a tetramer as shown in here. Okay. Then chemical properties. Let's see this chemical properties of organolithium compounds. The metallation reactions with the compound containing acidic hydrogen atom. So first chemical reactions we have to see here. This reactions is important means to preparation of varieties of newer, new, we also call it new, newer means organolithium reagents from butyl lithiums. Butyl lithium reagents, as I mentioned earlier, butyl lithiums is mainly used in organolithium chemistry as organometallic compounds. Acyclic hydrogen atoms is also very reactive, or we call as a more acidic proton towards the lethalation because high acidity of acyclic hydrogen atoms. We have to see this reactions here. Then chemical properties of the second reactions is metallation reactions with more acidic proton, as like previous acyclic protons react with acyclic protons and makes this compound because they have more acidic hydrogen atoms. Later on we see this next one is pyridine react with the butyl lithiums. Here the more acidic protons next to the alpha to the nitrogens, alpha carbon atom containing hydrogen or the protons is more acidic. The butyl lithium is a powerful base in a chemistry, organic chemistry. They can abstract the proton from here, and these bonds make weaker because that's why we call it the acidic one, and they makes lithium is there positive Li, and here the negative. The show is likewise metallations. We also call as a metallation reactions. The next chemical properties is nucleophilic addition reactions on carbonyl carbon. Organolithium reagents with aldehydes, this is first one. So here starting material formaldehydes, N-butyl lithiums as reagents followed by hydrolysis convert into the primary alcohols. Here the carbonyl carbon, the pi bond is shifted towards the oxygen, and the butyl from this is a whole reagent. Among this reagent, the negative parts acts as a nucleophile BU. We attack on electron deficient carbonyl carbon and makes the carbon-carbon single bond. As I mentioned earlier, this is the best application in organic chemistry to mix the carbon-carbon single bond. So once they mix the carbon-carbon single bond followed by hydrolysis, it's converted into the primary alcohol. So this is the post reactions. Then the second reaction, this is again the same. This is our first reactions. The mechanistic part is concerned. So we have to go to the mechanism. So see here the aldehydes, particularly of formaldehydes, we have to take on as a starting material. Then butyl lithium. Among these reagents, negative part is Bu, Li positive. Negative parts attack on electron deficient carbon. Here the carbonyl carbon consists of two bonds. One is sigma, another is pi. Pi bond is shifted towards the oxygen due to its electronegative properties. It's withdraw the electron towards itself, and we have nucleophile. They will be attack on electron deficient side. They makes carbon-carbon single bond. So rest this hydrogen atom left and right side, they remain as it is, and the oxygen gets negative. We have a Li positive. They makes a complex one. After getting that complex, we want to hydrolyze simply followed by this complex H plus, and it's convert into alcohols. So dear student, we may focus on which type of alcohols we have to form. Here the primary alcohol is there because the Bu is a straight chain compound, carbon containing 4 carbon containing compound plus one more from the carbonyl carbon, and OH is there. So we found here the simply formaldehydes react with the butyl lithium followed by organolithium complex followed by hydrolysis. It's convert into primary alcohols. Then again we have to replace the formaldehydes with acetaldehydes. Means one hydrogen atoms replaced by the alkyl groups, so we call as acetaldehydes. Then again butyl lithium followed by hydrolysis H plus, and again it forms different types of alcohol, that is secondary alcohols. So here electron deficient carbonyl carbon and alkyl group is there, and that's why we have to getting here the change is secondary alcohol. So we have to see this mechanism part. In a mechanism, the alkyl group remain as it is, H is also there, aldehydes. Then butyl lithium attack on electron deficient carbon. Among these two bonds, pi bond is shifted towards the oxygen, and oxygen gets negative. Butyl is attached to the carbonyl carbon. Here, in an intermediate step, they makes the carbon-carbon single bond. Observe carefully. Left hand side, alkyl group remain as it is, and right hand side H is also there. So organolithium complex is false, and that organolithium complex simply followed by hydrolysis convert into the secondary alcohols. So in a previous reactions, the formaldehydes react with butyl lithiums, formation of primary alcohols. One hydrogen atom you can replace by the alkyl groups, we get here a secondary alcohols. So specifically here I take an example, one more example for the acetone. These two carbonyl carbons is replaced again. So what type of effect we have to get here? So dear student, both this hydrogen atom are replaced by the two alkyl groups we call as ketones. We also call as, if you substitute here CH3, we call as acetone. Butyl lithium, then H plus followed by hydrolysis, it's converted into the tertiary alcohol. So there is a one hydrogen atom is missing. This is just R, there is R, sorry. Then if you see here in mechanism, I want to correct in mechanism right now, you may focus on these parts. So acetone, R and R, then carbonyl carbon, butyl lithium attack on the sides. Pi bonds are shifted towards this electron rich side, that is withdrawing side oxygen, and it gets a negative one. So we have a basis butyl lithium, they attack on electron deficient carbonyl carbon and makes butyl and carbonyl carbon single bonds. The left hand side alkyl group is here and right hand side alkyl group remain as it is. Li positive, and we have a organolithium complex. Dear students, simply followed by hydrolysis, they will convert into the tertiary alcohols. So here they form tertiary alcohols. Then we go for this next. So see the difference between them. So simple formaldehydes, primary alcohols. One hydrogen atom replace, then it's converted into acetaldehyde to secondary alcohols. Then ketones are converted into the next compound, that is a tertiary alcohols followed by hydrolysis. So in this way, from these organolithium reagents, we convert into primary, secondary, tertiary alcohols. It is changing the starting materials, so we get the corresponding alcohols. Then we go for this next synthesis is amine synthesis. So again, nucleophilic addition reactions on amines, we call as amines. Organolithium reagents with amines. Amines stand for carbon nitrogen bond, double bonds, and it's a substituted amines. Butyl lithiums attack on electron deficient carbonyl carbons. Here again pi bonds and sigma bond is there. Then it shifts towards the nitrogen sides and it gets negative in presence of a dry ethers, that's a solvent, and it makes organolithium reagent. Simply followed by hydrolysis, it's convert into amines, substituted amines. So in this way, today we will discuss on the first how to form primary alcohols, then how we form the secondary alcohols, how we form the tertiary, and lastly we form substituted amines. So dear student, today we want to stop here. We will discuss on next point in next lecture. Thank you.